Why did you call me out here? What is the problem?
Jay, please. I know I messed up. I'm very sorry, please.
I just said, what is the problem? Why did you call me out?
Jay, I haven't seen or heard from you in a while now. I'm in need. Please, I need a client. Please.
How is that my business? Wait, Betty, what do you take me for? Do you think I'm a fool that you can trample under your foot and use at your own will? See, let me tell you. If you need anything like client or whatever thing you want to talk about, go and sort yourself out. Do not call me for anything like this. I don't want to have anything to do with you.
Jay, please. But I just said I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
Okay, look. We are going to do 50-50. I promise. 50, no longer 80-20.
Who cares about your percentage? Who cares about your 50-50? Who cares about... I don't understand. If you need clients, go and sort yourself out. I don't want to have anything to do with you. Don't call my phone again. This will be the last time. I am warning you.
Jay, please, I'm sorry. Jay. God, I'm finished. Jay! Hey.
Good afternoon. What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I've come to stay with my mother-in-law for some time.
I can see that you are sick.
No, Mama, I am not sick. I came to stay with you here for some time. Most daughter-in-laws go to their mother-in-law's houses to stay for some time. That I didn't do anything bad.
Well, you are not welcome in my house. Go back to your husband. Go back to your matrimonial home.
Mama, I am married to your son. I am no stranger to you. How can you treat me like that? I'm also part of this family and I've come here to stay with you.
There is no space in my house, Emily. No space. You are married to my son, not me, Juliana. In Ania. So go back to your house and face your marriage.
Are you saying that you're not going to let me inside your house?
I am not going to let you in. Please go.
Mama? Eh? Are you serious? You're not going to let me into your house?
I cannot let you into my house. Go back to your husband. That's what I said. Is there any more water in my mouth? No water. Go back. Hogan.
Mama.
Papa. Go back.
What do you want?
Mera, I'm deeply sorry about yesterday's incident. Okay, Betty's actions were outrightly outrageous. You have every reason to be angry. Okay? But I don't want it to linger. That was why I'm here to beg on her behalf. Please, forgive us.
I don't understand. Why must you be the one pleading on her behalf? Betty should be the one begging me, not you.
Mera, you win, no doubt. But I'm likely to say I was a partaker because had it been I didn't take you to that place, this whole thing wouldn't have happened. Okay? That's why I'm here to plead on her behalf for misusing the privilege. Okay, please, forgive us. We are sorry.
Ariela, see, I hold no grudges against both of you. But you see, I'm done. I don't want to be a big girl again. I just want day my day. I'm tired.
Mera, what's the essence of all my plea now? Okay. I suggest we are now friends. We are three already. Please join us. We accept you, please. Okay? Mera, baby. Mera, please now.
It's fine, it's fine. I forgive Betty.
Oh,
I forgive you.
Oh, yeah, come here. Thank you.
Where are you heading to?
I'm going home. Let's go.
This is so painful. This is so hurtful.
Betty, you called me. You called me. And why are you crying?
Ariela, I am sorry. Please. I know I messed up. I didn't mean everything I did. I didn't mean it at all. I allowed my emotions to take the better part of me. I was never right. I am sorry, please. Please, Ariela, please.
I am not the person you should be apologizing to. You know the one.
Yes, I know. I know. I just need to talk to you first, please.
Anyway, it's okay. I don't have any problem. Just do the needful. But I believe this is not the reason why you are crying. So what is it?
Ariela, I don't have a dime. I don't have money. I don't have anything left with me. I need you to help me, please. I tried to talk to Jay, but he wouldn't listen to me. He's really mad at me. He even warned me not to call him again. Please, please, I am finished. I am finished. I don't know what to do. I tried calling my sister severally. No, she's not picking up. She doesn't even care about me. She doesn't even care about my existence. I am sorry, please.
I told you this thing, Betty. I told you to locate where your elder sister lives. But what did you do? You were so carried away with flirting and you ignored my suggestion. Now, look at it. You think phone call is everything. You think communication is everything. Look at yourself.
Please. I am sorry. I've realized my mistakes. I'm very sorry. See, Ariela, I need you to help me. I need you to help me with any amount, anything. I don't have anything with me now. I have small money, any amount at all, please.
Betty, I don't have any money. Ever since you terminated all our source of information, there is no money. There is no shishi.
Ariela, please. Please. It's Betty, it's your friend. Okay, how about food? I've not eaten since morning. How about I follow you to your house? Food, any food you have at home, I'll eat.
There is no food. Betty, there is no food. Go and do the needful. I don't have anything. Shishi, food, nothing. Nothing for you. I don't have. Please excuse me. Go and do the needful.
Ariela, please, please. Please, even if it's food, God, I'm finished.
Sonia, what is going on here? I've been waiting for you downstairs. And why are you in this mood?
Baby girl, I don't understand myself.
Talk to me. What is the problem?
You know, he got me some clothes and he said he wants me, to be the real me. That he doesn't want me wearing this kind of clothes you're wearing. That's not the real me.
Okay. Yeah. He doesn't want you wearing this kind of clothes.
And he doesn't want to see me in another man's arms.
Okay, he doesn't want to see you in another man's arms. Wait a minute. Who are you talking about?
I hope it's not who I have in mind.
It's Roland.
Sonia, how could you let this pierce through you easily? How could you succumb to his mere words? His flimsy promises that could fade away in a twinkle of an eye? You know, your inferiority is belittling you before a man. A man who is out there having fun to the fullest, without any external intervention. What do we call this?
You don't understand. I see the truth in everything he has said to me. I know he's not wrong, so...
You see truth in everything he has said to you. Sonia, is Roland the first man you've dated? I mean, what has Roland told you that you've not heard from another man? Huh?
You will not understand. You won't. But I understand everything.
You understand everything. It's fine. I won't push further. But you know you can't go out with me dressed like this. So go in and change into something sexy. I mean, sexier than what I'm wearing. I'm waiting.
Baby girl, it seems you don't get it. Yes. You see, in life, the only thing that is constant is change. Yes. And you see the Sonia you're seeing here? This is how I'm going to be dressing from now. Because that's exactly what my man wants. And any woman who is ready to settle down should learn how to cover themselves properly. You shouldn't go about dressing this way and exposing your body to other men to see. How do you expect your man to feel?
Preach it.
I don't want my man to feel hurt. So this is exactly how I'll be dressing. If you don't like it, that's your business. But if you want me to go out with you, this is what you get.
Okay, you're not going to. I still insist. Go in there and change into something sexier than what I'm wearing.
You wait forever.
Do you know what? I'm not cut out for this your cunning stupidity.
Where did she get that knife from? Where did she get the courage from to resist me to such an intense confrontation? Emily. I will not just teach you a lesson, but I will show you the stuff I am made up of.
Chief, I am so sorry. Chief, why are you acting like this now? I said I'm sorry.
And where the rest of the ladies?
They're on their way. They will soon be here.
I've missed you.
Oh,
and I've waited for you ladies for half an hour.
Chief, but I said I'm sorry, but I'm here right now. And you can have me all to yourself.
You're so beautiful.
I know.
Shake it more for me.
Oh, no pressure. Oh, Chief, you already know this is all yours. So,
So beautiful.
use me and do whatever you want. Oh, Chief, tonight I want to show you a lot of things like twinkle, twinkle, little stars.
I can't wait to have you all to myself.
Oh, me too. You know what? Let me go get my seats. I'm gonna have you all to myself. See you, Zaddy.
Wow.
God knows I love Roland with all my heart and everything in me. I am ready to give everything to make this relationship work. Roland, if you ever break my heart, I promise you, you'll pay dearly with your life, and your generations will pay dearly with their life. That I promise.
Hold on. What are you doing here?
I came to see Sonia.
You came to see Sonia.
Yes.
Did Sonia tell you she's in?
Not really.
Then leave right now.
Hey, come on. Don't be rude.
Okay. Please leave right now.
All right. If you want me to leave, I will. I just want to let you know that I've been dialing a number to no avail, so I decided to come check on her in the house.
Like I said before, Sonia isn't in. Please leave.
Yeah,
I'm
you
going
said that
out.
before, yeah.
And I want to lock the door. Please leave.
It's okay. I'll leave. Don't forget to tell her that I came. I'll leave if you want me to. You're beautiful. But I have one problem with you. And it's that your beauty doesn't complement your arrogance. Bye.
Upon my life stage, I stand in solitude embrace. An outcast, shunned by everyone. My heart can dance, unheard, a silent plea. With soul unbound, I yearn for empathy. In echoes of rejection, I find my existence. Each whisper, a dagger cutting through my rage. Yet I shall not wither nor complain anymore. For within this pain, a story of strength lies beneath. Like a phoenix, I rise from the ashes of disdain. A lone star, forsaken, yet destined to reign identity. My life is not confined to shallowness.
though every door's shut. Indecent, cruel touch. I will weave my words in verses. That means so much. For within those wounds, I find a burning fire. A passion that grows even when all is there. Rejected by the world, but accepted by the muse. I will achieve my life's aim without distractions. For even in darkness, a light flickers. And it's through these cracks that my spirit abides. Let them reject me and cast me out with disdain. For I shall find my solace in the echoes of my pains. To every heart who feels unloved, I will lend my voice, for even the rejected deserves a choice. Rejection may taunt like a relentless tide, but I will stand tall as the outcast who will never hide. My name is Emily. I am laborious, but my labor can never be in vain.
Mera, please. I am sorry. I know I messed up. I am very sorry, please.
It's okay. It's okay, Betsy. I forgive you.
No.
Seriously, I forgive you.
No, Mera. I messed up, I know. I need you to forgive me for real. Please.
I've forgiven you long time ago. If not, I won't be here. You're my friend. I forgive you, seriously.
Are you sure? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You've always been kind-hearted. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh,
Jay!
What's up?
What's up
What's
now?
happening now?
Nothing much. Nothing
Come here.
much. Nothing much.
Good. Nice one.
What's up?
Here we go. How you doing?
Fine.
Wait,
What's up now?
what did I miss here?
You miss nothing. We
Hello.
are friends again.
Yes. Surprise.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. So,
Mm-hmm.
guess what?
What?
Guess now.
What? Jay, talk now.
Chief wants you girls tonight.
Hey, Jay, what's up? I
He wants
believe
you
you.
girls tonight.
Jay, I believe you.
But guess now.
I believe
I didn't play.
No, I trust you, my man.
See what you guys do for me.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
And I will just go package well.
Hey, trust us.
Wait,
We already.
You guys are three already.
Everything.
You guys are three already. Oh God. Oh God. Better money go drop.
Yeah, I know.
You sure?
You know if you tell me say Chief go see all these things, you know, better money must drop.
It's sure.
See, I beg, make una package well.
Will.
I beg una.
Will. Don't worry.
Package well.
No, man.
Once I put you girls on call, una put body.
Ah, no worry
Then I
now.
no jinx me.
No worry now. No
Why
be
you
today
dey
now.
worry
Why
yourself,
they for
Wow.
you?
Like say you don't know.
Okay. Hola. It's too much. Big girl.
Alright.
See you guys later now.
Bye. Take
Later
care.
now.
Alright.
Thank you so
Alright.
much, Jane.
No. Come
You
on.
know.
You're always ready.
Now my person will be. I will put my on call.
Wow. I can't believe this is happening so fast.
Yeah.
All thanks to Mera here.
And all thanks to you girls.
Thank you so much.
You're
Mera.
welcome.
And sorry about the slap.
It's fine. I forgive you, though it was painful, but I forgive you. I forgive you,
sorry.
Betsy. I forgive you. Yeah. I'm so happy. Come here.
So, Mera, please, there's something I would love to ask you. Please don't be offended.
Okay. What is it?
You know, I was wondering, why do you really want to do this with us? You know, we all know your background. I mean, you're from a wealthy home. You know, why do you choose to do this? Money is not an issue for you, so why do you choose to do this? Okay. Unlike I am Betty. Why? Why do you choose to do this?
Okay, to clear your curiosity, I just want to do it. I just want to live my life. I just want to enjoy myself. See, when it comes to this, any money we are getting, you girls should just take it because I don't need it. I'm being honest. You know, I don't need
Mera, are you for real?
I'm just doing it for fun. Oh, seriously, I don't need it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Oh my God,
Thank
friends
you.
now.
Yes.
So happy.
Same here.
Where's she? Where's she? Mama, where's my wife? Where's my wife? Where's she? Emily! 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 Emily, I know you're in this house! Emily! 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 I know you're here! Emily! Emily, come on here! Emily! Emily! I swear, if I don't find you, Emily! If I don't find you, there will be no peace, Emily! 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 You are trying my patience! Emily! Emily! Emily, where are you? I swear I'll kill you! I swear! I'll kill you! Emily! 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 I swear, if I don't find you, there shall be no peace for anyone around me! Mama! Mama! If I don't find Emily, there shall be no peace for anyone around me! Mama, where is my wife, Emily? Where is my wife? I'm asking you! Mama, where's my wife now? You're looking at me. Where's my wife?
Your wife is not here.
How can you say Emily's not here?
But she's not here.
I swear, Emily. Anywhere I see you, Emily, if I find you anywhere, Emily, Emily.
I'm finished, oh. What is wrong with my son? It is obvious. He's having a psychological problem. Hi! How do I persuade him to go and see a therapist? My son is now showing traces of bipolar disorder. This can't be, oh, this can't be, it can't be, it can't be, it can't be.
I say Sonia is having a wavy mindset. Yeah. And if this continues, she might not even know what she wants. If she keeps listening to her friends who impute negative thoughts in her, sooner or later she will hit with her beatings.
Well, don't forget that we're talking about love here. When love wins, her friends and minority are added to the delusions. Come on, man. We have gotten her already. We can't afford to give up now. You know what I mean? You know, women, they get jealous easily. They are so easily to envy, even at nothing.
Yeah, that's true. You see, Gibson, I have Sonia in my palm. Quite alright, but it's still slippery. I may lose her to her friends if she keeps listening to them. Because all they do every day is put so much effort to ruin everything I've told her. All my efforts. On countless occasions, I have talked to Sonia, professed my love for her, tell her how much I love her and how much emotions I have grown over time. You know, well, she seems immersed physically, but I don't have any assurance because she has never for once professed the same amount of love to me. Her friends are behind that.
Well, Roland, I think this is a gradual process. Just like life is all about stages. I think you just have to give her some more time. I believe she will come around. You know.
Oh yeah, she'll come around. Just as you have said. I know what I'll do. I will keep putting much effort. I'll keep trying.
Sure, I believe you.
Guess what?
What?
I slept with her yesterday.
You did what?
You heard me right. I did.
Bad guy! Say that again! Say my name!
That's why you're teasing me.
Say that again with bad guy!
I just wanted to say, I want to hear what you have to say.
I know you do it.
Sonia, I will never forgive you for making this pass me by. Imagine how much I've lost because of you.
And if it must interest you, I am seeing Chief tonight. And that means double of this money. Oh yes. And Chief also promised to gift me a car.
That's not true, Empress, and you know it.
Oh really? You will use your mouth to testify. My testimony.
Sonia. Sonia! Are you okay? Did you hear what Empress just said?
Sorry, what did she say?
Oh my God. God, you need to calm down because someone is actually losing it slowly. What the hell is wrong with you? Snap out of it, baby girl.
What did you say?
She said she has an appointment with Chief and that Chief promised to buy her a brand new car.
Wow. Congratulations. I'm super happy for you. But that's not what I desire.
How do you mean that's not what you desire now? Sonia, we're losing huge amounts of money because of this, your conspicuous distraction.
You know what? I'm just thinking about the love of my life. The only man who makes me feel like a woman. The man who knows how to make me, get very wet. Who knows how to handle me. I just want to think all about him. I love him. You can join her if you wish. That's fine. I don't think I can see myself in the arms of a stranger all because of money. No. I don't want to do that again. Not anymore.
Impressive. Very impressive. I detect sensibility in you now. Maybe we should expect good news soon. Yes, and we know that Roland loves you, especially with his recent disturbances. But the question is, are you both on the same page? Because if you both are not, I'm sorry, you're chasing shadows. And on the same page, I mean, where is your wedding ring? And do you know if you love Roland or not? I think you're just offering your body as a sacrificial lamb. And in the end, you'll be used and dumped.
That's a possibility I do not envisage. And to clear you on that, I love him. I love him so, so much.
I smell self-deception. Your heart deceives you. And have you made him know about your silent days of worry, your days of restlessness? Because of how much you love him. And are you sure he loves you as much as you do?
Love is blind.
Our hearts are connected and nothing more.
I think I have to say this before I lose it, because it's becoming ridiculous. What the hell is wrong with you, baby girl? I can't believe that a man actually changed the Sonia that I used to know. Hell no. Fine. You love him. He is in love with you. But you have to be ready to face the frustration that comes with it. Oh yes. I mean, baby girl, snap out of it. Get your senses back. I know you to be a woman of impeccable manners. Sensible. Snap out of it before you get used, okay?
That word is just too harsh. Roland, I know, will never use me. And love is not something you force. It's a connection of two hearts. And the determination is the success of every relationship and marriage that you see today. You know what? I'm going to speak to Roland about how I feel about him. Because I love him so much. And that is all that matters. Alright?
Keep wallowing in your misery, okay? I will go see Chief.
To get wrapped around love is a beautiful thing. Cheers, Sonia. Cheers.
Hello? Dr. Chooks, It's me, Mrs. Juliana.
Hello, Chief. Yeah, good evening. Yes, I'm calling to let you know that I'm on my way now. Yeah, I said I should let you know. Oh, my friend. No, they won't be coming. No, they had an important appointment, so they traveled to the village. They will join us in the next meeting. Yes, sir. I'll be with you soon. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yes, Chief. Okay. All right. No! 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 No!
I have held on to you for this long because I believe my trust can't be broken by you. Yeah. You see, I can see your heart is pure. It wouldn't taint me. Sweetheart, please, let this out of your heart. And together, let's build a perfect trust.
How do I let my feelings out? Don't. Not now. I asked you a question. How do I let my feelings out and be guaranteed your love for me is authentic?
The same way I made my known to you.
I was doing just fine before I met you. You creeping into my life has opened a new page. I can't even fathom it. Roland, what are you doing to me? I ask you. What exactly are you doing to me?
Sweetheart, let love lead. Yes. And clear all unauthenticated doubts from your mind. I can see the willingness. It's showing all over your body. But what I don't know is why you're pushing back. Maybe your friends are
Don't involve my friends in this.
What else should I say? Huh? Sweetheart, tell me, what else should I say? I have worked so hard for this love. Sacrificed everything for this love. It seems like a wasted effort to me. My heart is tearing apart slowly. I can't believe you break my heart.
I won't lie. From the first day I set my eyes on you, I've only felt genuine love for you. Roland, I love you. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Roland?
Yeah?
Please, you have to leave now.
Oh. Yeah. I gotta go. I'll see you some other time, okay?
Are you okay?
Chief, you sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you. I have been calling this girl, but she's not picking her calls. I spoke with her some minutes ago. She just cut me off and I've been trying to call her to no avail.
I hope all is well with her.
What do you mean by all is well with her? She knows about tonight. She's supposed to have planned everything and make sure tonight is good between both of us. Chief, I hate disappointment.
Chief, unforeseen circumstances. Yes, something might have gone wrong somewhere.
Jay boy, you should have an alternative. I need someone.
Yes, Chief. I am going to get you those succulent schoolgirls. Yes, I know they'll be willing to come.
It is okay. Boy, it is late. It's almost 11 p.m. now.
Come on, Chief. Those girls don't work with time. They work with money.
What do you mean?
Money.
I have the capacity. Let them come.
Chief. No problem. I will get them for you.
That's my boy.
Anything for you, Chief. The legit Chief. I'll be with you shortly.
It's okay.
Happening gigs in town. Always on the move. Happening gigs in town. Always on the move. Happening gigs in town. Always on the move. This one not Jakarta. I've been my baby up for beauty and day, for sexy and day. Anyhow you want them got it to you. Ooh, no darling with them, for old men them there, for young girl them there, so for money go drop. Happening baby, happening babes in town.
Impress.
I don't know what happened, but it happened. Someone has succeeded in frustrating my life.
Empress, you just have to put yourself together. Take a deep breath. I mean, the way you're sounding, it seems blood is involved. Wait. Did you kill someone? Talk to me. Did you?
I don't know what happened. But she just came out of nowhere and just ran into my car. I killed her. No. I'm not a reckless driver. She just came out of nowhere and ran into my car and killed herself. I didn't kill her.
Can you listen to yourself? No. Listen to yourself. You're not a reckless driver. She ran into your car and then you ran her over. Who was driving the car? You are the one driving the car.
Yes. I'm driving the car, but I don't know what happened. You know me very well, right? You know me. You know that I don't drive like that.
It's alright. It's okay. So what did you do at that spot to remedy the situation?
I just reversed and zoomed off. I was overwhelmed with fear.
You did what? Are you that heartless? How can you leave someone in cold blood and then you drove off? Why?
What would you have me to?
That's inhuman.
What would I have done?
You would have taken her to the hospital.
No! Someone will catch me. I will go to jail. Don't you get it?
Oh, I see. You should put yourself in that person's shoe. I know how it feels. You know what? You have to take me to that place. We will go and get the body and take her to the hospital.
No. Please, we can't. My driver license has been expired for months. No, please, I want to go to jail. Please don't do this to me, please. Please, I can't do this. Please.
It's alright, just put yourself together. But you will take me to that place. We need to go and pick that body and take her to the hospital. This is inhuman. How can you hit someone and then you leave her body in cold blood? And you're here saying you don't want to go there?
No.
Empress, put yourself together, but you're taking me to that place. We're going there to take that person to the hospital. It's okay. Just come, let's go. We have to go there. The more you waste time, the more dangerous it is. Please stand up, please. Let's go. Let's go.
Chief, why were you still in there?
Chief, I'm sorry. I was very tired.
I am off. The guests are still sleeping. Once they're up, money, take this money and give to them.
Okay, I'll do that.
That reminds me, I'd like to enter a number. J. Where's the other one?
Chief.
Bad boy. Next time, if you get 3 fishes, make sure dye my room.
No problem, Chief. I will do that.
Give this to the other one. Chief. Well, listen. Next time, if you get 3 fishes, make sure dye my room.
Yes, sir. I will do that.
Bad boy.
Chief. Chief, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Chief.
But there is no stain of blood here. No. And no trace of any human.
No. That was hair.
Here? Empress. But there's no blood stain here. It means you didn't kill anybody. We need to leave this place now. Come, let's go. Come, let's go. We need to leave. Come.
Babe, I am finished. So I'm finished. God, is this how my life will end? I don't know what to do. I'm finished. God, please. God, please.
Empress, just calm down. See, crying is not an option here. You need to put yourself together. Yes. I think you should run away.
Run?
Yes.
Run to where?
To somewhere safe.
Okay. The door is not opening.
Why?
The door is not opening.
Try. Calm down.
No. I think they are outside. They're here to get me.
Empress, put yourself together. Put yourself together.
Sonia, I'm finished. Please help me.
Please
help me. No.
Calm down.
No. Just calm down. Someone is out here. Please help me. Don't you get it? I am finished.
Zainab, who is she? Who is she?
Emily, is this you? Empress. Emily, is this really you?
Empress, it's me. Wait, you two know each other? Huh?
Yes. She was actually my secondary school classmate.
What is she doing here? I don't get it.
I never knew neither of you girls had no feelings for Jay. If I was told, I wouldn't have believed it.
Jay is just our friend.
Okay.
He alerts us whenever there is a client. Moreover, he also benefits from it because after everything, he gets paid by us, just like you've seen.
You know, I'm surprised. Initially, I thought you went to Jay because of our refusal to join us, but that's not true.
I don't have anything to say now, but I think I love him. I think I do.
It's written all over you. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Jay is a nice guy.
And handsome too. Don't omit that. Jay gave us your part of the money. He said you won't be needing it. Why is that?
I don't need it, girls. I just want to have fun. You girls can just share the money. I don't mind.
Are you for real, Mera?
Yes. See, I won't be needing the money. I'm just out here to have fun. I just want to enjoy my life. And that's my little way of appreciating you girls.
Please. And what are you appreciating? Every workman deserves to be paid for a service rendered. Why will you give your body for free?
Ariela has a point there, Mera. You have no choice on the aspect of receiving your own part of the money. And talking about fun, we are all having fun, but that does not stop us from getting paid. I still have your own part of the money. We've not shared it. I'll be giving it to you.
Betty, you girls should keep the money. I don't need it. I don't need it. Ariela, come on. We are friends.
Okay, it's fine. If you say so, if that's your wish, we will oblige. Come get a hug.
Come here.
Look, we should be the ones thanking you.
I know.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So let's go.
Babes in town, ndị na-eti, ndị na-eme, always on the move.
Chicken.
Good morning.
Emily, what are you doing here? No. I know you're fine, but please. You're supposed to be in the room resting. Please give me this.
No. I'm fine. I just want to clean this place. I'm perfectly okay.
No, you don't have to clean anything. You just need all the rest you can get, okay? I have a cleaner who comes here to clean all the time.
I'm not complaining. I can do it. I'm fine.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Please, I want to stay here with you.
You don't have to beg me. You're welcome. Feel free, okay?
Thank you so much.
It's all right. It's all right.
And I must say, you have a very beautiful house. Both the interior and the exterior. Everywhere is very beautiful. You have a good taste.
Thank you. I'm so grateful to God for everything.
Oh, you're a nice person. Honestly. Accepting me and harboring your friends. Honestly. You are the best. God bless you.
Thank you.
And
Empress and Zainab, they have their own house. Their house is even more beautiful than this place.
Okay, so why are they in your house then? What are they doing here?
That's how we roll. Yes, we can be at anyone's house at any time. Yes.
That's nice. I like your friendship.
Thank you. Well, that's how we should be.
Yes.
Are you married?
I was married. Not anymore.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to make you recall your past. Sorry about that.
It's fine. I'm okay. It's fine.
It's alright. So just hurry up with this so you can go and rest.
No.
Okay?
Thank you.
I just want to get something. eat well done, okay? And leave this party so you can go up and rest.
Whatever it is they are doing that gives them this kind of money to take care of me and throw around, I'm going to join their league. Yes, I'll join them. I want my freedom and I must get it.
Seems like he's not picking up your call.
He's not picking up. I've been calling this guy for the past 28 minutes and he has not been picking up.
Maybe he's got a deal that he's trying to handle that made him not to pick up the call.
There's no deal as important as what we have at hand now. So maybe you should just say something else.
Really? So what deal is that you people have refused to fill me in about?
Well, it's more confidential. When the result is finalized, I will let you come in fully so you can know everything.
Wait a minute, Gibson. What deal is this that both of you will have that you will want to get me involved in? It's absurd. You call yourself my friend, so you are supposed to carry me along in every business that you do.
Relax, man. Let me have your phone. I want to call Roland. That's the most important thing for me now. Please, let me have your phone. Martins, let me have your phone. I want to call Roland. Please, let me have your phone. Give me your phone now.
So you're trying to tell me that we can be friends, do things together, and then when it comes to deals, you sideline me and then you call yourself my friend? That doesn't make sense, does it?
Hello?
I'm talking to you and then you choose to keep me quiet.
Welcome. Thank you. So how are you?
I'm better.
So, where's Amy?
Okay, where she come? Sonia.
Hi, babes. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Thank you.
You're
welcome. Lover girl, what about your lover, Roland?
My baby is doing just well. He's fine. Yes.
I see. Good for you and him too.
Thank you. My darling, Emily says she wants to join our business. I already accepted, there is no going back. So I said I was going to inform you too, just to get your permission. So she will be the one taking over my space. Is that okay?
Wait, we need to hear from the horse's mouth.
Okay.
Emily, Are you really sure you want to join our business?
Yes.
What about your marriage? I mean, what about your husband? I thought by now you'd be planning on how to make peace with him and go back.
God forbid. I cannot go back to that monster. No. My marriage was full of pain. I didn't have peace in my marriage. No, listen, I cannot go back to Dave. Please.
But marriage is for better, for worse. That's the path you've chosen.
I was with the wrong partner. Yes, marriage is for better, for worse, but not with the wrong partner. Okay, I cannot go back to Dave, I'm sorry.
Well, he's your husband. He owns you. Certainly, he will come get you.
I'm not a fool. I'm not a slave. Gone are the years I was in that yoke of a marriage. Not anymore. Like I said before, I'm not going back to Dave.
Okay, but what blinded your eyes at first and made you willingly love and marry him?
Men are scum. Men are devilish. No man will show you his true colors at first. Dave showered me with so much love that I couldn't imagine that he would become a monster. In fact, Dave was worse than a monster.
Emily, I feel this is coming from a place of hate. I don't think you should say all men are scum. Because there are good men there. That your marriage didn't work out or you didn't have peace in your home doesn't mean every man is the same. No, I don't want to buy that ideology. No, I don't want to buy it.
I thought you weren't going to say anything. I mean, can you listen to yourself? Someone is talking to you out of experience and you're here still saying this. Can't you just open your eyes, listen to her, learn from it? Do you want to go through this pain? I mean, open your eyes so that you don't need to go through this pain, baby girl. Come on.
Why are you directing it to me?
Well, I'd ask again. Emily, are you really sure you want to join us?
Yes. Even now.
It's fine. I will just go freshen up. I'll be right back.
Happening babes in town. Ndi netieti, ndi meme, always on the move.
Madam, I've been waiting for you now. Eh? You did not keep to your words.
I'm sorry I messed with your patience. I was trying to make sure everywhere is safe before coming.
It's okay.
So, what information have you gathered that made you not to talk to me on phone, rather requesting that I should be here?
Madam, there is no information. I mean, I needed to see you face to face. Your son is making things more confused for me.
How do you mean? Eh? I don't understand your language. Why making things more difficult for you when I already told you all I wanted?
Your son is drinking from one bar to another bar. I don't know, he keeps getting himself drunk.
What are you saying?
Yes, on different occasions, I've even helped him out. I think the last time I was the one who helped him. He drank himself to stupor and was making fool of himself.
I'm not drunk. 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 I know what I'm doing. That's the way now. Go to that place. I'm just letting you carry me. I'm not drunk. I know exactly where I'm going. Wait, relax. Wait, leave me first. Leave me. You just leave me first.
My son is not a drunkard. No.
Madam, everything I have said right here is the truth. There is no atom of lie. In fact, I am now doing a double job. I am constantly helping your son all the time. You have to increase my pay.
Increase what?
Yes, now you have to increase the payment. Do you think it's easy?
Wait. Like I asked you before, what information were you able to gather that you are requesting for an increase?
Madam, everything I've said here, from what I've just said, it is clear that this business has been swapped. Yes, it has been swapped. Instead of me to get information, I am not being the one taking good care of your son. Okay, what if something had happened to your son or a car had hit him down?
It's not possible. Nothing will ever happen to my only son.
Okay, but all I know is that you have to increase my pay. You just have to increase my pay unless I'm not doing anything.
No problem. It is not even my fault that things didn't work out the way we planned it. But I will increase. I will pay you. I will even double it. Yes. All I want is for you to do what I asked you to do. That's all.
I'm going to do anything, as long as you're going to be paying me. I am okay.
Thank you.
Confirm. No problem.
It's okay.
I am going to do everything.
Thank you so much for what you have done so far.
Problem.
Please, I need information.
I am going
Keep
to get
closer watch.
Sure.
Please, I'm begging you.
Thank you, ma.
I have to take my leave now.
All right. Take care.
All right.
Emily, I can see nervousness written all over you. Even a child can see it. You don't have to break a bridge after crossing it, because you might forget something. and you want to go back to get it. Listen, the only advice you should always listen to is the one you give to yourself.
I just want to be happy. I didn't enjoy my marriage. I didn't experience happiness in my marriage. This is an opportunity for me to be happy. I just want to be happy.
And you think this will give you happiness? I've been in this for long, and I can comfortably tell you that there is no benefit at all. I have been with the fair, the dark, the young, and the old. Nothing.
Sonia, I just want to be happy. That's all.
And do you wish for permanent happiness, or you want temporary happiness?
Any happiness. Any happiness. I didn't experience any in my marriage. Temporary, permanent, whatever I can get. I just want to be happy. I just want to live my life.
It's all right. All I will say to you is, when you get out there, please be careful. Because you're going to be a toy that men will just toy with and do whatever they want. Be careful and take good care of yourself.
I will.
Okay? Come here. Okay.
Thank you.
It's all right. Just take good care of yourself and make sure to have a good day.
I have to go now.
Be careful.
In as much I love your vindictive approach, I think she's becoming too leechy. Or don't you think so?
My baby. My baby wants me to be by her side all the time. Yeah. She said she can't survive a day without seeing my shadows. But you know what? To me, I think that's a beautiful way to lead her, It seems to be more of a burden to me now. Although, patience is a virtue.
That she had to call you out even at the middle of the night to see her.
Oh, well, anything is possible, bro. In the life of a gamer, everything becomes a tool of gaming aesthetics.
I see.
Mm-hmm.
I think I've had enough today, so can we leave now?
Oh, sure. Let me just go up this and there we go. Inside.
Happening waves in town. Ndi netieti, ndi nememe, always on the move. Happening waves in town. Ndi netieti, ndi nememe, always on the move. Happening waves in town. Ndi netieti, ndi nememe, always on the move. This one not Gibraltar, I put my baby up for beauty them day, for sexy them day. Anyhow you want them got into you. Ooh, no darling with them, for old men them there, for young girl them there. So for money go drop.
Betty. Betty!
Betty, are you okay?
We are having an exam tomorrow and we've got only today to read. What is the problem?
Ah, please. That exams can wait. I know how to handle Mr. Jaffe.
Okay.
There is this guy I met on my way from Jay's house.
Okay.
Just us.
Why are you girls closing your books?
I don't get. Tell us more, Joe.
Okay. So, he was driving.
Okay.
He drove past me and then got in front and reversed back to me. When he got to where I was, he stopped and was calling me. But I didn't respond.
No be you again. I know say you go do shaka.
Yes. I'm not a cheap girl.
I know.
So, what happened? I want to hear more.
So when he called and I did not respond,
Okay.
he came down from his car. Babe. When this guy came down,
Okay.
I saw, babe, the guy is handsome.
Wow.
He is cute. He's sweet. I mean, he is built, well built. I'm not talking about. He's well built. He is energetic and rich. You need to see the car he drove. God. Deep down, I just couldn't wait to say yes if he was going to ask me out. So he just gave me his complimentary card and said he was going to invite me to his house tonight.
Wow.
Okay.
Betty, can we come along with you?
Oh, no. We don't have to go with her. She just met this guy, so.
Ariela is right.
Yes. So you need all the time.
We all can't go on this first invite. Maybe subsequently I can bring you girls in.
It's fine. So let's go back to business. Let's read. We have
But
exam tomorrow.
For you to stop reading, this guy's handsomeness is top notch.
Babe, I can't even wait to meet him again. He's so handsome.
I can imagine.
It's okay. Let's read.
Let's read. I already said I was going to read.
You want to fail your exam,
John.
Shay?
I don't have to handle Mr.
Let's read. Don't mind Betty.
Let's read. Okay. This did you
Yes.
finish?
Don't just tell me that! I can't believe I actually allowed this. I can't believe that I just got myself into this. Relax.
Empress, be calming down.
Can someone tell me what's going on here? What's the loggerhead for?
I told Empress here to take it easy on Emily. She will adapt. Besides, it's her first time out.
Please don't tell me that. She thought about it carefully before accepting to join us. I mean, she knows what she's up to. Look. If you don't want to do this, I'd rather you quit. You can't come here and spoil things for us. No, you can't.
I still don't get it. So can someone explain to me? I don't understand.
I mean, she wasn't useful and not even an outer. Damn it.
You're supposed to use what you have to get what you want. Nothing. Absolutely nothing is complimentary.
Emily, do you still want to do this? Go upstairs, freshen up, and get some rest. Don't mind her. She's just hot-tempered. She's not a bad person. You will get used to her.
It was strange to me. Everything they did was strange to me.
I understand. But you must know that you're here for this. So you will put your mind and everything to it. And remember, every new phase of life comes with a different template of different lifestyles. So you must learn to adapt. Go upstairs, freshen up. Food is ready. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Empress! Your blood is always very hot. Empress! Empress!
Am I really doing the right thing? Have I even considered all the possible risk surrounding this new pattern of life that I have chosen? Dave, these are all your fault. You practically deprived me the joy and peaceful dividends of marriage. It's your fault.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, who are you?
My name is Betty. This card was given to me by one Mr. Roland. He asked me to come see him yesterday, but I had a very busy schedule, so I couldn't come.
Oh, okay, Roland, you are at the right place.
Okay. Is he in?
No, he's not in at the moment. He stepped out to get something, but he'll soon be back home. So just sit down, wait for him.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
My card.
Yeah, sorry. Okay. All right, make yourself comfortable. Okay, I'll be right back.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Happening babes in town, ndị na-eti eti, ndị na-eme eme, always on the move. Happening babes in town, ndị na-eti eti, ndị na-eme eme, always on the move. Happening babes in town, ndị na-eti eti, ndị na-eme eme, always on the move. This one na Jabarata.
Let me go! Leave me alone! Emily! That's Emily! That's Emily! 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 Come here!
How dare you?
Yourself into when your mother and I thought you were in school.
Is Chief your father?
What?
Yes.
Why? Why have you decided to be a disappointment to your mother and I when we're doing all to make sure we don't lack anything?
Unfortunately, Dad, I don't feel sorry for anything. What do you expect from a daughter the father sleeps around with different women? You and Mom failed me as parents, yes. So please.
Swear to me, Jay, that you will not touch my daughter.
See, Chief,
No.
Is it like that? We have had sex countless times. I even had to abort my baby just to save your face.
Chief, your reactions towards this is not welcoming. You've been enjoying other people's daughters. Definitely, your daughter must be enjoyed by someone else.